In a company press release, Charles Schwab announces stock slices. We're going to talk exactly what stock slices are, what do they mean, and how does that change the game? Not really change the game, but bring the big players into a game that's already existing. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So right here up on the website, and I'm going to go through and look at the press release here. Charles Schwab is introducing stock slices, a trademark stock slices. Pretty much it's just fractional shares. Charles Schwab, why this is so big is because we all know that Charles Schwab brought TD Ameritrade for $25 billion back in the fall of 2019. They bought it for $25 billion. TD Ameritrade is the largest online brokerage platform. So that Charles Schwab announced this, TD Ameritrade is probably going to have something like this as well. Don't worry about it. I'm going to tell you exactly what stock slices are and what fractional shares are if you don't know. So now they're doing it a little different. One, a stock slice is you're going to get exactly what it is. It's a slice of a pie, a piece of a pie. So for prime example, a whole Facebook stock costs $230. So you say, man, I don't have $230. What if I have $10, $5, $20, right? It used to be if you only had $50, you were only limited to companies that cost $50. Now you can purchase a slice of the company, what Charles Schwab is calling it, but it's also called fractional shares. You can buy a fraction of the company. Now that Google costs $1,500, you can buy a piece of Google with $50 now. I mean, it costs $1,500. You can buy a piece of Google for $1,500. And guess what? It also pays a dividend. You don't get the whole dividend, but you get a dividend according to your slice. Now, how they're doing a little bit different is you only can buy companies that are in the S&P 500, large cap companies. These are the biggest companies in America, the top 500 companies in America. They're the only ones that you can purchase from. So you can see here on their site, that now anyone can own a piece of S&P 500 for $5. Now, this they have been talking about this for a while, but I think the first company that I seen come out and actually do it, you had I think companies like M1 Finance were doing it, also TD no the Cash App was doing it, and then the Robinhood just announced it not too long ago. Now you got Charles Schwab, which is owned by which is owns TD Ameritrade, so TD Ameritrade is probably going to have it, and like clockwork, E-Trade is going to do the same thing as well. So you only can buy top 500 companies in America, companies that are held by the S&P 500, and you got to have it a minimum of at least $5. So for $5, you can buy Netflix, you can invest in Apple, you can invest in the Facebook, companies that was off limits for people back in the day. So right now, $5 into Netflix, you get 1.2%. $5 in the Apple, you get 1.6%. $5 in the Facebook, you get 2.2%. Right? And also, you can get a slice of uh, like 5 or 10 different companies at one time. Nike, Home Depot, McDonald's, very huge. Now it's making it easier for the little guy to be able to get a piece of it. So essentially, what else they said here? It's a fractional. It's a piece of a company. You get a piece of the dividend. They're available right now on Charles Schwab. I haven't seen anything on TD Ameritrade, but I'm going to say TD Ameritrade is going to have it very soon, or if they don't have an initiative coming out, haven't seen anything. So you got to at least have a minimum of $5. With other companies like Cash App, you can go as low as $1, but that's pretty much it. So you can get a piece of a company. Now, this is the official press release that came out from San Francisco. That's what Charles Schwab is headed out of. They pretty much tell you about Charles Schwab. How does the Schwab stock slice? You know, they trademark the word stock slice. But they say stock slice allows anyone to invest using fractional shares, and we're excited by possibly inherent to this functionality to how our clients can invest. So pretty much they act like it's big and it's new, which is new for them. But Robinhood and Cash App and other companies have been doing this already. It's just the big boys are jumping on board. And Charles Schwab owns TD Ameritrade, so it's probably going to be on TD Ameritrade very soon. I haven't seen the actual functionality yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be on there very soon, if not already. And we already know probably by the end of this week or next week, sometime this month, E-Trade will be announcing it as well. Great for the small investor who's starting out to invest. You don't have to have a pile of money. When I started investing, if you didn't have $1,000, you couldn't go out there and get Google, right? But now it's available to any and everybody. All right. So use it to your advantage. Invest, invest, invest. And don't forget to wash your hands. But anyway, my name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace. Be safe. I'm out.